Hello everyone, welcome back to our lecture series on ISO 11607. In today's session, we will focus on the key definitions and terminology used in ISO 11607. Understanding these terms is essential for grasping the requirements and applications of this standard in ensuring the sterility of medical devices. Key definition and terminology. Let's begin with some foundational terms. Sterile Barrier System (SPS). Sterile barrier system is the minimum packaging configuration that provides a microbial barrier and allows aseptic presentation of the product at the point of use. It is crucial for maintaining the sterility of the device until it is used. Performed Sterile Barrier System. Performed Sterile Barrier System refers to a sterile barrier system that is either fully or partially assembled before the sterilization process. This pre-assembly helps in maintaining sterility and ensuring ease of use. Packaging system. Packaging system encompasses the sterile barrier system and protective packaging. The protective packaging is designed to prevent damage to sterile barrier system and its contents from the point of manufacture through distribution to the point of use. Terminal sterilization. Terminal sterilization is the process by which a product is sterilized within its final packaging. This is a critical step to ensure that the medical device is free from viable microorganisms. Aseptic presentation. Aseptic presentation refers to the process by which a sterile product is presented in a manner that maintains sterility and allows it to be used without contamination. This is essential for patient safety during medical procedures. Additional important terms. Sterilization compatibility involves ensuring that the packaging materials and systems are capable of withstanding the sterilization process without compromising the sterility of the medical device. Microbial barrier. Microbial barrier is a property of the packaging material that prevents microorganisms from penetrating and contaminating the sterile device inside. This barrier is vital for maintaining sterility over the shelf life of the product. Integrity testing. Integrity testing refers to the tests performed to ensure that the sterile barrier system is intact and has no leaks or weaknesses that could compromise the sterility. Accelerated aging. Accelerated aging is a testing process used to predict the shelf life of a sterile barrier system. It involves subjecting the packaging to elevated conditions to simulate the effects of time and assess the durability and integrity of the packaging materials. Sealing. Sealing is the process of closing or securing the sterile barrier system. The seal must be strong enough to maintain the sterility of the device, yet designed to allow easy and aseptic opening. Understanding these terms is not just about memorizing definitions, it is about comprehending the principles that underpin ISO 11607. Each term represents a critical aspect of ensuring that medical devices remain sterile and safe for patient use. For instance, knowing what constitutes a sterile barrier system helps in designing packaging that effectively maintains sterility. Similarly, understanding aseptic presentation is crucial for ensuring that healthcare professionals can use the device without risk of contamination. By familiarizing ourselves with these key definitions and terminology, we can better understand the comprehensive requirements set out by ISO 11607. This knowledge is fundamental for anyone involved in the design, manufacturing, validation, and use of sterile medical device packaging systems. Thank you for joining us and for your attention. If you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you. Have a great day.